Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to enable zoom to fill on YouTube. Before you get started, please subscribe our channel. So the first thing that we will do is just open up YouTube here and we will search for say the NASA page, and we can just choose one of this random NASA video. I am just going to choose this NASA video. Now there are a couple different things I can do to zoom to fill the entire screen. One is if I swap this over to landscape mode. Here you can see that is on the landscape mode. Now what I can do here is I can make my finger and I can pitch out, and you can see it shows zoomed to fill. So this is zoomed into this video. I can go to any of this other video here. There is a quick add on this, but once that is done I can do landscape mode again and zoom it to fill, or I can go back to the original version. So you can see zoom to fill normal version. Now here is a way to switch it to zoom to fill, so that is will always show videos as zoom to fill. You can tap on the bottom at the bottom left here, and then your little profile icon at the top right, and then we will tap on its settings towards the bottom here. Now we will tap on general, the second option general, and you can see about midway down is zoom to fill screen, and I can toggle that on, and then it will always zoom to fill my entire iPhone or Android screen if I wanted to, and you can always toggle that off if you don't want that to be toggled on. So this is the way how you can enable zoom to fill on YouTube. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.